our topic for today is all about the calculus to an area under a curve. Area under a curve between 2 points can be found by doing a definite integral between the 2 points. To find the area under a curve, y is equal f of x between x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Integrate by y is equal to f of x between the limits of e and b. So examples. Find the area under the curve y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 8 from 1 to 2. So this is the graph of this example number 1. As we can see here, this is the curve y. This is the curve y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 8, and the area under the curve, this part is the area under the curve. So mao ni atong pangitaan kani pila ang area diri sa under the curve, kani pila ang area under the curve. So now to solve the area under the curve, which is area is equal the integration from 1 to 2 x squared minus 2x plus 8 dx. So the result is x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 plus 8x, which is the interval is from 1 to 2. So now we can evaluate the interval of our given function. Ato na siyang i-evaluate atong interval sa atong given function. So we have 2 raised to 3 over 3 minus 2 squared plus 8 over 2 minus 1 raised to 3 over 3 minus 1 squared plus 8 times 1. So by simplifying, we have 8 over 3 minus 4 plus 16 minus 1/3 plus 1 minus 8. So, ay nganong na minus 8 man ni, kay negative times positive 8 is negative 8. So, by simplifying again, we have 8 minus 12 plus 48 minus 1 plus 3 minus 24 over 3. So, is equal to 22 over 3. So, this is the area under a curve of x squared minus 2x plus 8. Mao ni siya ang result, 22 over 3. So, that's all. Thank you.